wanted to do a quick video, at least first, and at least a two-part series on the Beringer equipment and what it looks like, what I think so far of the install. I've just done a fit up, mainly because I wanted to see what it looked like. It's one of those things when you get the package in, you want to do something with it, you want to stick it on the aircraft, and so that's what I started doing. Like I said, I'll make this a two-part video. I'll stick some footage in that kind of shows what it looks like, at least on the initial fit up. A couple things to point out: everything is just immaculate. It came very nicely packaged. All of it is very high quality. I can see why Beringer is one of the top products out there for brakes. You know, and then on top of all that, it's just gorgeous. So more to follow on what it actually, how it works, if I run into any issues, but so far it's just great. So more to follow on that. See you next time.